Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Before going forward with the analysis, we'll look at the economic calendar for today and also look at dollar index. Then we'll start our technical analysis. And I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use this as a reference for deciding your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. Today is Friday 18th. At 12:30 p.m. we have news on British pound which has a medium impact. Again at 1:15 p.m. we have news on euro, and then as we come down at 7 p.m. we have medium impact news on Canadian dollar. At 8:30 p.m. we have US dollar news which has a medium impact. Request you to plan your trades based on this news calendar and don't enter into the market on a wrong time. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in hourly time frame of dollar index. When we look at the price action in dollar index, from here it started its bullish trend which was around 95.392 and it is steadily on a bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or the support line, and currently it has taken support at the level of 95.865 and it is on a bullish trend reversal. And overall, when we look at the price action from the higher time frame also, we have the higher time frame trend line running over here, and from the higher time frame and from the hourly time frame also, currently dollar index is in a very nice bullish trend. It had only made a retracement to test this support level. So as long as this support level is not taken, we can expect a sideways market or a bullish trend to start. Let us start with the gold analysis. Yesterday the gold had moved above the levels what I had mentioned in my yesterday's video. So we have to look at the overall picture. What will be the next price action from the higher time frame. So today I am doing the analysis from the weekly time frame, then to daily time frame, then to the 4 hours time frame. So when we look at the price action in weekly time frame, the support line and the resistance line, whenever the price action tests this resistance line, you can notice that bearish trend reversal has happened. And currently we can notice that the price action is in a very strong bullish trend. So if it goes on a bullish trend, we can expect it to take support or price getting rejected at this resistance line, then to have a bearish trend reversal. So this area where the price action got rejected in the weekly time frame is going to be again acting as a very strong resistance level for the future price actions also. And you can notice that the price is actually nearer to this resistance area. So even if the price action breaks this level, we can expect it to go up, test this resistance line and to bounce back. And if the price action breaches this resistance line, we can expect the next level of resistance to be around 1931, which is from the past price action resistance level from the weekly time frame. So looking at the past price action, I am expecting a little bit of retracement to happen in these currency pairs. And currently the price action is in a very strong bullish trend. I am in hourly time frame now, and these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break this resistance area between 1908 and 1898, and we can already see little bit of retracement being happen. But even if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to go up and test this resistance line from the weekly time frame and then bounce back on the bearish trend. But looking at the overall price action, it is still trading within a bullish channel pattern. So we can expect the bullish trend to continue as long as this support line is not broken. So if the price action retraces, this level of 1878 will be acting as a very strong support. So overall trend in daily time frame, it's still in a very strong bullish trend. The price action has to break this support level of 1853 in order to have a bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it's still in a very strong bullish trend. Currently when we notice the price action, it has tested the resistance area between 1908 and 1899, and it is showing a little bit of bearish trend reversal. Even if the price action retraces, we can expect it to take support at the support level of 1878, then to bounce back on the bullish trend, because overall the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. And I have drawn a parallel line over here. I have taken the previous price action. This level had acted as a neckline at the highest level, and also I have taken the highest price action, and I have drawn a channel pattern or a resistance area over here. So if the price action goes on a bullish trend also, this whole zone is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone. So even if the price action goes on a bullish trend, we can expect the price action getting rejected at this resistance level of 1931. And on the bottom side also I have drawn the parallel support zone. So if the price action retraces also, it has to break this support area in order to go on a bearish side trend. As long as these zones are not broken, we can expect a range bound market to continue. It will be a bullish range bound market. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So the values within the red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action got rejected at the resistance level of 1899, and it is on a little bit of retracement. If it retraces also, we can expect it to taking support at the higher time frame support level of 1878, and as long as it is trading within this support zone and the resistance zone, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. And if the bullish trend continues, we have the next level of resistance level, which is going to be around 1931. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn a one more channel pattern, which is from the 30 minutes time frame. You can notice that the price has retraced and taken support on the level of 1853, and again little bit of consolidation and started its bullish trend. I have drawn the trend line also over here to identify the current trend of the market. Currently it is actually trading above this trend line. As long as it is trading above this trend line, you can expect the bullish trend to continue. And we have noticed that previously this resistance line had acted as a very strong resistance, and price had bounced back whenever it tested this resistance line. So we can expect the same price action to be repeated here also. Already we are seeing the price action getting rejected. So wait for it to break this trend line or the support line. So next level of support is going to be around 1888. And if it breaks this support level, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1878. The price action has to break this channel pattern support line in order to go on a bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. So we can expect the price action to retrace, take support on this trend line, again to bounce back on the bullish trend, because overall when we look at the price action from the higher time frame, it is still in a very strong bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a retracement. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now, and we have the higher time frame support levels or the resistance level over here. Previously the price was in a very strong bullish trend, and you can notice that the price got rejected at this resistance line, and it is trying to break this support line from the 30 minutes time frame also. And if the trend reversal happens, we can expect it to take support at the support level of 1888, and if it manages to break this support level, we can expect it to taking support at the level of 1879. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has broken this trend line or the support line from the 30 minutes time frame. We can expect a price action to fall further and take support at the support level of 1888. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.